I'm going to use my Hog's Bristle fan brush, all right? So I'm going to use that. I'm going to go to the plate where I have just a few colors. I'm going to pull my black out, and I'm going to put water in there. So I'm just putting my bristles in the cup, not the whole brush. I'm going to get my green earth. I'm going to put it into this pile, and we're going to keep it a really deep color, though, like deep, you know, dark green color though, okay? I'm gonna bring this one down right here. So say you don't wanna be careful like that. If you don't have soaking wet paint when you do this, you'll be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this in. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this in. Pull in, pull in. This is, you'd start Ewing a little bit here. Okay, I'll have to come back with a little bit more black through the center. All right, maybe this side. If you feel like one side of your brush is better than the other, just move over. All right. Just flip it over. Always make sure you have that darkness in the center, all right? That's important. So make sure I get right down to the church. I put the Post-it up too high, so you can always get your flat brush if you're more comfortable. Take it right down to the line, or get your fan brush and just run like right across. We're gonna be putting snow on there, so I guess you don't have to get too close. You're gonna have some snow there, okay? So we have that. So I'm gonna start this one, maybe right here. And this is just a marker for me, you know, when I do this, all right? So again, I don't start right at the very top. I start a little bit underneath, pulling in, okay? Pulling in, pulling in. All right. It's okay if you have to make it a little bit taller as you go. And remember, this is the base. It's gonna have a lot on top of it. You're gonna start Ewing as you go down. So I'm just going to hold this down, and I'm just gonna pull, well, I just took a little of the roof line out, that's okay. I'm just gonna pull this across. It's pretty dark in there until we highlight it anyway, so I think we're fine. Alright, so I'm just it's gonna go right off the side of your canvas. We'll put our shadows in down there later. There we go. Post-it worked again. Okay. All right, so we are going to wash our brushes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Arctic blue. All right, I'm going to put it on both sides of my brush. And put maybe a touch of my green in there, all right? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to just highlight more, like say towards the top of some of your, you know, your dark areas. So when you're going through this, I don't want you to go straight across. I kind of want you to step, you'll have like a step here, and then here goes up here again. Don't go straight across, all right? I'm holding my brush up so you can see the stroke just a little bit better. But I won't go straight across. I kind of like stagger as I go, all right? Sometimes when I'm making trees, you'll see me like flick up and off, like I go like this and I flick up and off, you know? And then sometimes I'm just, you know, tapping it in. either way works, however you're most comfortable. But just this little bit, see right here where that kind of connects? You want to step, you know, make sure you're stepping around, all right? I know this is something very, very minute to put on here, but this helps add the depth. And they're kind of like little U-shaped scuffs, you know, just a little bit. Follow your shape of what you're putting in there to begin with. Lifting off, stepping around, okay? We're gonna do this on all of our trees, and then what we'll do is we'll go back and highlight with some snow. But that's why everything needs to be dark to begin with, so then we can layer it up, okay? So again, I'm gonna start right on the line. Step around, never straight across. So I put my brush down, it's a little bit more pressure, and then I kind of flick off, flick off, flick off, okay? Flick off, flick off. If you accidentally go straight across, then you can just take a little bit of your dark and fix it very easily. Again, nothing's ever ruined. Everything's okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna wash my brush off. I'm gonna dry it really good. And we're gonna work with just white, okay? So I'm gonna take some of this white and put it over here on this other plate. So I have room to like smash it down on both sides. All right, so I'm getting my white just like that, nice and flat. Okay, so then we're gonna pick and choose where we want some snow to be on these trees, all right? So I'm gonna just pull in again. Don't ever, when you're making the tree, putting the snow on the tree, take out that top part. It'll look like it's, you know, chopped off. So try to keep that. This is definitely where I do lift off just a little bit. I'll apply a little bit of pressure and I'll lift off. Make it look like there's a little bit of snow sitting in there. If you have any edges you don't like right there, I would touch it with a little bit of white. Okay. So I'm just a little bit of pressure and lift off, especially where you want a little bit brighter, and to make it look like there's a little bit more snow. Remember to skip around, no straight lines across, all right?